Happy holidays! Jolly Saint Taniel here with another delicious recipe for you to try. Are you tired of dealing with family? Well, why don't you bake some cookies to put it in their mouth holes? Nothing quite does say happy holiday cheer quite like eating cookies. Oh, the cookies! So for today's show, we will be making kibble chip cookies. The ingredients are, whatever the actual cookie dough part, and secret. Ooh, secret! I'm not going to tell you what the ingredients are, but this magic floating text will. First, you have to mix some things. Then, you have to put more stuff into this thing. Finally, place everything in our video sponsor.
Little Miss Riding Hood's meat grinding machine of death. It blends life to death. Guaranteed. Guaranteed.
It feeds off the fear of small creatures that it hunts at night.
Smells delicious.
Once mixed, throw cookie dough onto a metal sheet. You really have to slap it on there. My assistant likes to transfer his self-doubts and loathing into the dough, giving it that special extra flavor. Hello, darkness, my old friend. The scarier you make it look, the tastier it gets.
Hello, buddy.
Now bake it in a heat box until the annoying beeping starts. If the dough goes dark and starts to smell like burning, it's probably been in there a little too long. While we wait, it's hug time with Tatiana Bot. Take the cookies out of the oven and let them cool. It is currently way too hot for our puppy mouths to handle. Look at the awesome shapes we created! We have a dog bone, a moon crab hand, cat, a brick, and of course, a good-looking corgi. Once cool, we can ice them with our secret ingredient. It's cat food! Apply the cat food into the icing squeezer.
Cuz?
Be sure to really squish it in there to get a better spread. Do not be afraid if you have to add excess squeezing pressure. Once you have artfully decorated all of the cookies, it's time to share them with the family. This has been yet another amazing success. Everyone will love them. From all of our family to yours, happy holidays.